All right, this is just a short video on what I want you to do in tonight's homework. First, write an introduction on this parallel circuit lab, actually parallel component lab. Follow the guidelines given, it's 10 points. And then come up with the materials. Materials would be a ramp, the mass scale, and that's about it, right? The procedure might not even take 4 steps. You have to just try to piece together what we did. There wasn't really much to it. Like I said, it probably won't even be 3 or 2 steps. Now, here's what is a little, something I'm going to talk about. We want to do a plot, but there is no real relationship between the parallel component that we measured in newtons and the angle. What were the angles? The angles were 45 and, whoops, they were 45, and I think we went down by 5. So 45, there was 40, there was 35, and on and on and on. There's no real relationship between the angle and the parallel component, but there is a relationship between the angle and the sine of a parallel component and the sine of theta. So what you have to do first before you do anything, before you plot, is to find the sine of 45, sine of 40, 35, and this table will not fill up because I think we go down, what do we go to 10 degrees or something like that. So keep finding the sine of each one of these angles, sine of 45, sine of 40, and what you're going to plot is of these last 2 columns. You're going to plot, let's see, you're going to put on the y-axis, you put the parallel component and call it F, or parallel component, and on the x-axis put sine theta. It has no units, so you don't put any units, and that's what you're going to plot. So I'll say it again. On the parallel component goes on the y-axis, and sine theta goes on the horizontal axis, and make it a big plot, so you have to scale it right. So wrapping it up, you're going to take the sine of every angle in the first column with your calculator, and it'll be a number less than 1, as you know. And for instance, like sine of 30, I know that is 0.5. So, take the sine of all the other angles, and you're going to plot sine of theta is going to be on the x-axis, and the parallel component in newtons will be on the y. I'm expecting a big plot, and that's it. Just page 1 and 2, and that's all. Thanks. Bye-bye.